Yeah.
All right.
We're going to start this off with Mulan Glacier, Elemental Lord, self-explanatory. Gets 2 cards out your opponent's hand. Special summon when you have 5 waters in the graveyard. 2 Abyss Megalo. The heavy hitter. He searches out Abyss Sphere, makes stupid plays with him. 2 Abyss Lyn. You run this just because you run Abyss Sphere, and he brings out Abyss Fight. Or Megalo at times, depending. Yes, touch that card. 3 Genetic Sundyne. In my opinion, the Egyptian God card of the deck is just broken. It does too much shit. Like it does everything for the deck. You can pop backfield, pop face downs, or you can search. It just does everything for the deck. 3 Genesis controller. Because you run 3 Undynes, you have to run 3 controllers. In my opinion, you can't do 2 because one of them is always going to be dead. You're always going to draw at least 1 controller. So you have to run 3 controllers. 3 Dragoons. The other great card in the deck searches out every sea serpent in the deck when it's sent. Anywhere, from anywhere. 2 Marksmen. He destroys set cards. 2 Heavy Infantry. Destroys face-up cards. 3 DC Divas. Great card. Combos well with Heavy Infantry and Marksman, and it just makes some real broken plays with those other 2. Trigodius, 2 Trigodius. Great card because he gets big. Because I run Maxis, 2 Maxis. Your opponent try to go off on you. They play through Maxi, thinking you have nothing. Then you drop Trigodia, and then you beat them next time because they can't do shit with Trigodia. Spells. 1 Heavy Storm, 2 Mystical Space Typhoons, 1 Allure of Darkness, 1 Pot of Avarice, 1 Salvage, 1 Dark Cold, 1 Monster Reborn. Traps, 2 Abyss Sphere, really good card. Special summons 1 Mermail from the deck, effect is negated. It gets destroyed during end phase. When it gets destroyed, you special summon. Well, ideally you use Abyss Lyn. And once Abyss Lyn is destroyed, you special summon another Mermail from the deck. And this combo is real good with Genesis Controller. Real broken with Genesis Controller. Solemn Judgment, 2 Compulses, and 1 Mirror Force. And that's it for the main deck. I can show the extra deck now. 1 Gachi, 1 Daigusto Phoenix, 2 Leviathan Dragons, 1 Zenmains, 1 Abyss Dweller, 1 Big Eye. That's the Exceeds. 1 Armory Arm. Really good card with Deep Sea Diva, Librarian, Deep Sea Diva, Catastrophe, Deep Sea Diva. This card right here is really broken with Genesis Controller. Justin really told me to run this card because it's really good with Genesis Controller. You have to have controller to make it, and all monsters in the deck are water, so you automatically get his effect to destroy 1 spell or trap. 1 DeLorean combos great with Abyss Sphere. Just activate Abyss Sphere, summon controller, synchro into him, bounce Abyss Sphere to your hand, use it again next turn. 1 Black Rose Dragon, self-explanatory. 1 Ganir, he wins games. If that takes him, you good though. Ganir wins games. Every time he came out today, I won. And Stardust Dragon, because he's Stardust Dragon. You can't get over him.
Alright, so you got a side?
I got a side, but it's not.
That's fine.
It's not that great. I'll show it anyway though.
Let's run through pretty quick then.
I ran 2 DD Crow, 2 Beast King Barbaros, 1 Thunder King, 1 Book of Moon, 2 Smashing Grounds, 2 Skill Drains, 2 Raigeki Breaks, 1 Phoenix Chain, 1 Compulsory Evacuation Device, and Mirror Force.
Alright, so thanks for the deck profile. How does the deck work for you? Like, what are your opinions on it?
I played the deck last week. It was incomplete. I was playing 1 Megalo. Extra deck was shitty. Didn't have a side deck. Came in 3rd that day. I completed the deck today. Game 1, I fucked up myself. But other than that, I should have won all my games today. And I came in 3rd today. I only lost 1 game today.
So I noticed it's like a few things that some people do or don't agree with. Like single salvage, some people say you can run like 2 copies of that.
Salvage is a great card for the deck, but sometimes I find it dead. Sometimes, like, because I don't like drawing it too often because I'm not going to always have the right stuff in the graveyard to get back with salvage. And I like salvage at one. And plus, it makes space to run other stuff in the deck, like the 2 maxes. You take out. You don't run 3 salvage, run 1 salvage. You run the maxes. Eventually, you're gonna draw into the salvage. You're gonna draw into the salvage eventually.
And like you run only 2 Megalo and 2 Spear. Is that like kind of the same reason?
I mean, Spear is good if you get it with Megalo or you draw it. No matter how it comes out. Megalo, I run. Of course, you're gonna run 2 Megalo. Some people do run 3. I wouldn't recommend 1 because you can't play the deck aggressively enough. Like. I was playing 1 last week. I had to play it so conservative that it just messed up a whole bunch of stuff for me. Where it's like
I can't let anyone else.
I don't know. Like I like it. Megalo has to be there too because you have to be able to play it early to make an early push for game, and then late when you really want to go for game, you can get Megalo again and just go off.
You made it in the first.
All right, well,
great cards.
I guess that's all for the deck profile. Thanks again. Remember to subscribe
do this trade game 2.
And yeah, that'll be all.